Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to look up past trips on Waze. This feature is useful if you want to check where you traveled earlier, remember a route, or track your driving history. First, open the Waze app. Tap on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, tap on Account and Login. Make sure you are logged into Waze using your account. Past trip history works only if you are logged in. Now, look for an option called Drive History or Trip History. Tap on it. If this option is available in your region, you will see a list of your previous drives with dates and times. Tap on any past trip to see details like route taken and destination. Keep in mind that Waze does not store very old trips forever. Only recent trips may be visible. If you do not see drive history, it may not be available in your country or app version. In that case, make sure your app is updated and location history is enabled on your phone. Past trips are helpful for remembering places, planning similar routes, or reviewing travel patterns. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if drive history is visible on your phone or not.